Today we are going to make one pot Assamese arhar dal. Generally, in North India, tarka is always added upon boiled dal, and even in Assam, we used to boil the dal first and then we make the tarka in a pan and then we add the dal. But here in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the tarka at once, put the dal and boil it all in a one go. For that, we have to heat ghee and mustard oil in a pressure cooker. We have to add hing. I have added a little bit of sugar. If you want, you may, and if not, it's not mandatory. After that, we have to add the pach foran and then we have to cook it for a while. And then we have to add the onions and fry it till brown. This is a mandatory step we have to follow. We have to fry it till brown for a better smell and better taste of the dal. Then we have to add the arhar dal that was soaked. I have soaked the dal for around 1 hour. Along with it, we have to add the salt and haldi or turmeric powder, and we have to stir it for a while. I have added 2 cups of water. It depends upon you how much consistency you need. We need a not very liquidy but a semi-liquid dal. I have whistled it for 3 times. You may do it as per your convenience. You may top the dal with ghee after you take it out in a bowl. Again, this step is not mandatory. In my household, we always serve arhar dal with crispy fried potato or pumpkin and potato mash, if not pumpkin and potato fry. But arhar dal always tastes best with the crispy fried potato. I hope you have enjoyed the video and will definitely like the video, comment on it and share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Again, it's a request. Thank you.